The Additel 680 series digital gauge is offered from compound and low pressures up to 60,000 psi. In this demonstration, the 680W series wireless Bluetooth with data logging features is connected to a digital chart recorder via USB transmitter. When attached to the PC, the Additel data logging software will recognize the Bluetooth signal from the 680W gauge. If a gauge is connected to a pressurized system, the PC will follow along in real time. The data logging software will recognize the Bluetooth signal from the digital gauge and present real-time data logging and graphing. The red button on the screen indicates recording of a test, providing accurate current, average, and minimum pressures during your test. Once bleeding off the test, you will be able to generate a certificate or report from the software directly by exporting either in common CSV file format or inside a customized test report. In this example, the certificate includes an Additel 680W serial number, calibration date, along with a graph of the pressure and temperature for compensation, as well as the raw data in Excel file format. The Additel 680W model that you've seen in the video today, along with the data logging software, is available at Specialloy.